Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the retention system of your X-lite X803 helmet. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. First step, turn the helmet upside down and place the helmet on a supported air because to prevent of some scratches on top of the helmet. This is not looking nice. Now you can see the double D-ring system. This is a retention system. What is easy to use? First step, you have to get with a strap through these two rings. And after this, you have to rotate back the strap and go through the first D-ring. There. Good job. Now, as you can see, the retention system is ready to use. But take care, the retention system is factory adjusted at a standard length. Before use, check that is correctly pre-adjusted. So you can now assemble your D-ring system again. And there it is. Easy open and so easy close system. And it's so simple, really simple. Only 2 D-rings will make the safety. That's nice. To put on the helmet, pull the red quick release flap until the band is loosened completely without unthreading it from the ring. With the help of your thumbs, bring the pre-fastened chin band forward the forward part of the helmet so that it does not get in the way of your face when the helmet is being put on. Put on the helmet, ensuring that is the correct size for you. Pull the band end until you feel the band tightly pressed against your jaw. Refasten the snap button on the band end. Yeah, now try to remove the helmet by taking hold of it by the rear edge and rotate it forward. The helmet should remain well fitted on your head. Oh, and this is easy to install. If the helmet tries to come off your head, pull the chin back against until the correct pressure is reached and try again. If you like to slip out of the helmet, unhook the snap button by pulling the band end. Pull the red quick release flap until the band is loosened completely without unthreading it from the rings. With the help of your thumb, bring the pre-fastened chin band forward the front part of the helmet so that it does not get in the way of your face and remove the helmet. Easy going, as you can see. To disassemble the double D-ring system, you have to go in the opposite direction, as you can see. Job's done, disassembled. Yeah, let's do another assembling. It's the same way, but it's rotated 180 degrees, as you can see, for a better understanding, as you can see. Okay, there again, we go through the 2 D-rings, rotated back side, and then go to through 1 ring with a red layer, and then snap in the button. Job's done. Easy going. This is security first. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and always fasten your D-rings retention system. This is important for your safety. Really important. Soon.